Welcome, ladies and gents, to the future of photo editing. Today, we've got something so mind-bogglingly awesome, it'll make your socks jump right off your feet. Introducing the one and only Photoshop Beta AI. Now, let me tell you, my friends, this Photoshop Beta AI is like having a magical unicorn at your fingertips. It's smarter than your grandpa's pet parrot, and it can turn your photos into masterpieces faster than you can say cheese. Just look at this interface, folks. It's so user-friendly. Even your grandma's cat can become a pro photo editor. And trust me, that cat's got some serious skills. Now, pay attention, my dear viewers. With the Photoshop Beta AI, you can magically remove that pesky pimple that just won't quit. Say adios to bad hair days, because this baby can fix it all. But wait, there's more. With this marvelous tool, you can transform your face into something truly extraordinary. Want to look like a superhero? Boom. Want to turn yourself into a funky monkey? Bam. Just look at these jaw-dropping transformations, folks. I'm telling you, it's like having a virtual fairy godmother that grants all your wildest photo wishes. But hold on to your hats, my friends, because here's the real kicker. The Photoshop Beta AI is faster than a cheetah on roller skates. It'll save you so much time, you'll have enough left over to learn how to juggle flaming pineapples. So, what are you waiting for? Go grab the Photoshop Beta AI and unlock your creative superpowers today. Remember, folks, you're just a few clicks away from becoming the next Picasso of pixels. Subscribe and follow my channel for more technological updates.